Alright, today we're looking at a certified 2015 Honda CRV LX. It's got 22,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's white pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you here. We'll start on the driver's side. Everything in really good shape there. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape. Once again, it's a certified 2015. Okay, it's an LX, 22,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in great shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Okay. And you do have some storage in here, but you have your USB power outlet and auxiliary port in here. Middle console. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, it is an automatic. Okay, and you do have another power outlet here. Got your climate control area. AM, FM, CD player. Okay, going to have a display screen right there, and your backup camera is going to be right there as well. We'll show you that in a second. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Okay, and then you have your econ button right over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 22,449 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, show you that display screen right there. Okay, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Trying to dim that down for you just a bit. There we go. All right. And then you got your AM, FM, CD player. Climate control. All right, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panels are good there. Back seat cloth looks good, no problems. Go ahead and give you the back of the seat here. As you can see, nice and clean, no issues there. Center console comes down, got the cup holders. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, carpet back here is in good shape. Got the spare tire right there. The only thing I love about these CRVs is it's got the handle here. Simply pull that handle, seats go down. Handle over here, pull it, seats go down. It really opens up the space in the back. Okay, and then they're really light, durable. You simply pull them up, they'll click back into place, just like that. You can do it on the other side as well. It'll click back into place. Put the seat there down, and then you're good to go. We've got, let's see, 16-inch styled steel wheels. Okay, brand new set of tires. You can see how deep the tread is there. All right, once again, it's a certified 2015 Honda CRV LX, 22,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.